To schedule Fifth Third Bank online banking, start by logging into your account through the Fifth Third Bank website or mobile app. Once you have accessed your account, navigate to the Payments or Transfers tab, where you will find the option to schedule a payment or transfer. Select the account you want to pay from, the payee, and the payment amount. You can choose from a list of existing payees or add a new one. If you are adding a new payee, you will need to provide their name, address, and account information. Next, choose the payment date and frequency. You can schedule a one-time payment or set up recurring payments. For recurring payments, you can choose the frequency, such as weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly, and the duration of the payments. Review your payment details to ensure everything is accurate. Make sure the payment amount, date, and frequency are correct, and that you have selected the right account and payee. Once you have verified your payment details, submit your payment request. You will receive a confirmation message indicating that your payment has been scheduled. You can also view and manage your scheduled payments in the Payments or Transfers tab. To get the most out of Fifth Third Bank online banking, consider setting up account alerts to notify you when a payment is due or has been made. You can also use the budgeting tools to track your spending and stay on top of your finances. By following these steps, you can easily schedule payments and transfers through Fifth Third Bank online banking, making it a convenient and efficient way to manage your finances. Remember to always review your payment details carefully and take advantage of the available tools and features to get the most out of your online banking experience.